This is a meta file for eMule, an old P2P file sharing program. It stores temporary download data. It is useless without the part file. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll explain the structure. The fastest way to confirm a file's state is with a dedicated file reader. It's better at handling MET files with integrity issues than most dedicated programs. MET files are metadata files created by eMule, the open-source peer-to-peer file sharing client. They store download progress information, file hash values, source lists, and transfer statistics for files being downloaded or shared through the eDonkey 2000 and CAD networks used by eMule for decentralized file distribution. eMule MET files use a binary tagged format, storing ED2K file hashes, AIX hash trees, part status, maps, source, address lists, download priority settings, category assignments, and transfer speed statistics. Key MET files include known.met for shared file hashes and server, met for server connection lists. An essential utility for interacting with MET is recognized as eMule by eMule project. Windows provides limited insight into this file, showing only basic attributes. Windows cannot interpret hierarchical index data, so proper access depends on dedicated tools. We are performing a vital system software check. Right-click your MET file and choose Open With. Test with eMule first. If it's missing, select another program. The fix is often a simple software switch. If the MET file is still refusing to open, it's expected. A specialized format like MET demands specialized preparation. Let's ensure we have all the correct fundamental details checked off on our list. First, understanding MET files. MET files are managed automatically by eMule and reside in the eMule config directory. The main files include known.met storing hashes of shared files, server.met containing server lists and clients, met tracking known sources. These files do not need to be opened manually during normal eMule operation. Next, fixing corrupted MET files. If eMule crashes or fails to start a corrupted MET file may be the cause. Check the eMule config folder for MET-back backup files. Close eMule, delete the corrupted MET file, and rename the corresponding back file to replace it. Restart eMule to load from the backup metadata. Finally, cleaning up after uninstall. When removing eMule, delete the config directory containing MET files to remove all stored metadata. MET files in the temp download folder correspond to incomplete downloads and can be safely deleted. Part MET files contain progress data for incomplete transfers and are not useful without the eMule client. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like FileMagick, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagick.com. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.